Hi, I'm going to do one more quick view at this unique words method and program where we were talking about using a try-catch block. I'm going to try to write this one now from scratch, changing this list to set, and meaning that up here I'm going to need to return a set, but I'm going to start from scratch, and I'm going to say, okay, how do I write this? First, I'm going to make sure I return null. Then I'm going to notice that I don't know sets, and I'm going to change this from java.util.arraylist to let's import all of java.util and all of java.io. The star means let's make sure I have all the classes that are in this package and all the classes that are in this package accessible. My program is ready. If I run it right now, you can see that I get a null pointer exception. You'll get these often, and you can look exactly on what line number that is, line 12, u.size. Whenever you get a null pointer exception, it almost invariably means there's a dot, you invoked a method on a null object, u is null, because I returned nothing. I didn't return a set, I returned nothing. Null is the reserved word that means nothing. You can't dereference or access a method in nothing. If I change this to set of string is a new hash set, now when I run it, I still get the null pointer exception because I forgot to return the set. Now I get the number of words is 0 because I created a set that has nothing in it. Now I'm going to try the try-catch block first. I'm going to say try, and I'm going to catch the file not found exception. And this is actually an error because unreachable block, it's never thrown. However, if I create a file from the file name and a scanner from that file, now my red X's go away. If I could spell file name, they would. I forgot to close my scanner. If I look at the API for scanner, I will see that creating a scanner from a file throws a file not found exception. That exception is part of the interface to the scanner constructor, which is why here I was forced to catch the exception. In this case, I'm simply going to return null. I won't print the error message now. And I'm going to say while s.hasNext, I'm going to add s.next to my set, run it, and it worked. Set, returned, use the try-catch block. So I wrote the try-catch block first, and I caught the file not found exception. My alternative would be to not use the try and catch block, although that's what we were asking you to do. And if I do that, I can add a throws declaration, and now the method throws an exception, which means that this throws an exception because you have to keep throwing it back up. Now it runs, number of words is here, but if I give it a file name that doesn't exist and run that, I will get a file not found exception. And you can see that I have the entire path of this calls this, called this, called this, called this, which is why perhaps the try-catch block is better. Enjoy.